Let's talk about Netflix, people. Worst week since April. So Elon Musk posted earlier in the week to cancel Netflix account. The activist Robbie Starbuck reposted that. So just a lot of noise around Netflix. Oppie is out defending it today. They reiterate their outperform. $1,425 is the price target. Josh, you want to talk about this stock and what's been going on around it?
Yeah, look, this is like every publicly traded media company's worst nightmare when the mob turns its attention to something that they're doing. And we've actually seen real-world effects, not just on stock prices, but on companies and how they conduct themselves. So I wouldn't completely dismiss out of hand Netflix having a rough couple of weeks, but I don't, my personal opinion, nothing to do with the programming or the controversy itself, I don't think it'll produce a lasting effect on the stock price, and I don't think Netflix management is going to come out and do anything to make it worse, which we have seen at other firms over the last few years. So if I were looking at the stock as a new entry, I would look at this more of an opportunity as opposed to a reason to sell. Personally, I own the stock right now, not selling.
Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin for a minute because it's been surging lately. We can look at the chart. Coinbase, by the way, there's Bitcoin. Look at that ramp up into the day. 123, just pushing 124,000. Coinbase having its best week since June. It's up 20% year to date. Upgraded day to a buy from neutral, target to 417 from 325, and that's at Redburn. Stephanie Link, you own Coinbase, and you bought it not that long ago.
Last week.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, I bought it last week. I want to have crypto exposure. I have no idea and no edge on what Bitcoin, the price, is going to do, or any of the cryptocurrencies. But I like the exchanges because all you need is a buyer and a seller. And that's what this company does. And they have 100 million users. And it's just very diversified. They have 240 different kinds of cryptocurrencies. So really like the management team, and I just wanted to have exposure. Risk-on way of playing lower rates.
Okay. Rob likes to drive fast cars. He likes to own fast car stocks. Ferrari initiated buy 570 as the target at Berenberg. They're looking for only modest volume growth. They do believe, though, investors in the name can achieve attractive long-term results. What do you think, Rob? Upgraded at HSBC yesterday, and it was up like 3% yesterday. What do you think?
I think this goes back to Josh's comments. As long as the stock market's rocking and rolling, I think people are going to be buying these cars. And it gets back to feeling good. You're seeing an incredible bifurcation between the high-end consumer and the low-end consumer, and the high-end consumer continues to spend. This is not a company that's immune to tariffs, though. It's going to impact them reasonably hard, I think, over time. They're not passing all that through onto customers. So what that means is they're bearing some of that responsibility. But this is a company that has software-like margins. If you were to compare Ferrari to Porsche, both cars that wealthy people buy, right? You're going to see the performance of Ferrari stock has been incredible relative to the performance of Porsche.
All right.